listen really hard to this morning.
Steps that they've got to take to get back to that situation to duplicate what happened last year against Alabama in the championship game. You still got a long road to hoe. Yeah, well, you got Tennessee next week. Don't sleep on them. That'll be a hostile environment. Then Missouri, Vandy, and then Florida. That's a big sitting there with no conference defeats. Just a loss in Miami.
Now, the good news for LSU with only the one loss is that they have plenty of opportunities to, as you say, exercise their defensive demons with Alabama.